Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat ke Sangma habagren baginong tho kubor halor ka jingthaw ya ka kanhon ban lumlang ya gi seng san perthai ka North East uloong ba ka seng barbor kaya trailang bat ka NDA kani ka pau shai bha namar hadu mentaru ki don ki menteri na ka BJP shu ulapan shai da ka boong ba ka NPP kaya trailang ban pentikna ban don ka rinsan ka baklan ban yashim ya ka rai bat ban wanra ya ka jing Ïatylli henry kamdei ban don ya kum ka jing persha marway ulaban rap da ka boong ba ka long ka bakong san ban don ya ka jing Ïatylli lang hapdeng ka North East paro Kawei khnang ban la ban te lakam hakikam san perthai kham tam ban la ban shim ya ki rai ki baklan kum ka than baro Kawei.
No, we have always aligned with the NDA. We are very clear about it from day one. Even right now, my ministers, I have my BJP minister, Tripura Morta is part of the government out there. So it's very clear about that part. What we have been saying is that we are coming together to ensure that we have a stronger platform, that we are able to take up issues. This is not a fight against any individual, but it's only the realization that we must all come together to be able to bring in unity. So that we are stronger as a front and we are stronger as leaders and as a region of the Northeast to be able to talk to other leaders with much more gravity and much more strength in the days to come. So that's really what the purpose is. So there's nothing else different about it. No, it's a process, boss. It's not that we have now decided that everybody is going to just come and, with the click of a button, all are going to merge. It's not like that. It's a process. This has never happened before. We're starting a process where few of us have decided to come together. Consultation is now taking place among the parties. They're going to decide on how to move forward. And in the process, they're going to start consulting with others also on who would be interested and would want to come in front. So therefore, the consultation process is going on. I think what is important to remember is that we've realized the importance of having some kind of a unity among the Northeast so that we are in a much more politically stronger position to take up issues that matter to us as a region as a whole. We have faced many situations in the past. We'd like to see that, and we've all talked the same concern and same voice. So we'd like to see that we have put the team together and become strong.